Nikola Tesla literally invented the modern world, but he died in a dusty hotel room with less than $100 to his name. How does a man with a 160 IQ lose it all? It wasn't a lack of ideas, it was a lack of emotional liquidity. Tesla's mistake wasn't his science, it was his ego. He believed that the world would reward him simply for being right. But markets don't reward right. They reward resilience and strategy. When JP Morgan pulled funding, Tesla panicked. He doubled down on grander, impossible dreams instead of protecting his current wins. He was trapped in the genius fallacy, the belief that your brain can outsmart a bad system. In 2026, the Tesla trap is everywhere. People think their strategy or crypto pick is so smart it can't fail. But without a financial shield, a psychological plan for when things go wrong, you're just a genius waiting to go broke. Don't be a penniless genius. Stay calm, stay shielded. Watch the panic guide linked below to see how to actually protect your wins.